Hi, Eric here from PAC to talk to you about our RadioPRO 4 integrated installation kit for the F-Series pickups. The RPK4-FD2201 is compatible with 2015 to 2017 F150 pickups. Also 2017 Super Duties. This kit's compatible with the vehicles featuring a 4-inch radio. If your truck has an 8-inch radio, you'll need an RPK4-FD2201. Both of the kits are designed with all the plastics and electronics to allow you to relocate the factory controls for the climate to make space for that aftermarket navigation radio. First is the dash kit. You'll see we actually allow you to take your factory controls from your Ford Series pickup truck and relocate those into our dash kit. We put them a little bit lower to make room for that aftermarket radio. We also do include a pocket as well as the other mounting hardware for singled-in or doubled-in radios. And we also have a couple pieces of plastic in here that go behind the scenes. That's just going to allow you to relocate those factory components, again, making room for that larger screen radio. The brain behind this kit is our PAC RadioPRO module. This has a plug-and-play harness that plugs into the factory wiring, so you don't have to cut any factory wiring, and plugs directly into your aftermarket radio steering wheel control input, so that retains your factory steering wheel controls while upgrading your factory radio and maintaining the factory appearance. This kit is fully compatible with our PAC VS41 intelligent camera switcher. That allows you to retain your factory installed backup camera and add up to 3 additional cameras to your truck. 1 on the front, 1 on each side for blind spot viewing. This module will read the CAN bus, and when you turn the turn signal on, it'll allow you to automatically activate those turn signal blind spot cameras or a front camera, as well as retaining your backup camera. This is the RPK4-FD2201. If you need any more information, please feel free to visit our PAC website.